Welcome back to this channel. We are discussing how to find Fourier cosine integral representation and Fourier sine integral representation. Moving on to the first question. Represent as Fourier cosine integral f of x is equal to 1 if 0 less than x less than 1 and 0 for x greater than 1. See, look at the interval first. See, the function is defined on 0 to 1, then 1 to infinity. That means in a half interval, the function is given. Okay. In this question, you are just asked to find Fourier cosine only. Okay, Fourier cosine only. And Fourier cosine integral representation, the definition is f of x is equal to integral 0 to infinity a omega cos omega x into d omega. So first we should find a omega. A omega, you recall the definition, it is 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity f of t into cos omega t dt. Now, it is 0 to infinity. The interval is from 0 to infinity. But you are given in a split up form. So, what we have to do is you split the integral to two integrals. How? One is from 0 to 1 and the other is from 1 to infinity. And separately, you write down the value of f of t. And what is value of f of t from 0 to 1? In the interval 0 to 1. 0 to 1, what is the value of f of t or f of x? F of x takes the value 1. So, substitute 1 here. And from 1 to infinity, what is f of t? X greater than 1. That means from 1 to infinity. What is the value of f of x? It is 0. So, these two integrals reduces to the single integral. And cos omega t on integrating, it is sine omega t by omega. Substitute upper limit and lower limit. So, on substituting lower limit, it is sine 0, that is 0, and we are having only sine omega by omega and the coefficient is 2 by pi. So, a omega is 2 by pi sine omega by omega. Now, we are substituting in the definition of Fourier cosine integral. So, f of x is equal to 2 by pi integral from 0 to infinity sine omega cos omega x divided by omega into d omega. Okay, so this is the Fourier cosine integral representation of the given function. Now look at the second example. Find Fourier cosine integral of f of x is equal to x square for 0 less than x less than 1 and 0 for x greater than 1. So look at the interval. This is given from 0 to 1, then 1 to infinity. That means in a half interval you are defined this function, isn't it? Therefore, the Fourier cosine integral and sine integral also exist, but you are asked to find just Fourier cosine integral representation. And in the definition of Fourier cosine integral, we have a omega, and a omega is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity f of t into cos omega t dt. And 0 to infinity we want to split, isn't it? 0 to 1, then integral from 1 to infinity. From 0 to 1, what is the value of f of x? F of x is x square. So, what is the value of f of t? It is t square. And that you should substitute here. And from 1 to infinity, the value of the integral is 0. Okay, so the second integral vanishes, isn't it? Now, we should integrate 2 by pi integral 0 to 1 t square into cos omega t dt. See, I discussed this type of integrals in the last video in easy integration techniques. In one line you can write the integrated result, isn't it? Just doing derivative integral, then again derivative integral, the easy method of integration. So, in that t squared, the first function, integral of second function, it is sine omega t by omega minus derivative of t square, that is 2t, integral of second function minus cos omega t by omega square plus derivative of first, that is 2, integral of second, that is minus of cos integral is sine omega t by omega square. Already we have and one more omega, therefore it is omega cube. And I told you don't simplify and write each and every term in separate brackets. Okay, so after integration process is over, if you want, we can do simplification. In this case, we don't want to do any simplification. Directly, you can put the limits. So integral from 0 to 1, substitute upper limit and lower limit. Okay, so on substituting lower limit, everything 0. On substituting upper limit, we have 2 by pi sin omega by omega plus 2 cos omega by omega square minus 2 sin omega by omega cube. This is the value of a omega. Then the Fourier cosine integral representation of f of x is equal to integral 0 to infinity a omega cos omega x into d omega. There you substitute the value of a omega. So 2 by pi, it is a constant can be taken outside. 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity sin omega by omega plus 2 cos omega by omega square minus 2 sin omega by omega cube into cos omega x d omega. This is the Fourier cosine integral representation of given question. Now the next question, f of x is equal to sin x for 0 less than x less than pi and 0 for x greater than pi. You are asked to find the Fourier cosine integral representation. Therefore, a omega is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity, isn't it? 0 to infinity we should split. How? 0 to pi, then pi to infinity. Into integral 0 to pi, what is the value of f of x? It is sin x. Therefore, f of t is sin t. Okay, remember we want to change the variable. So, sin t into cos omega t dt. Now, how to integrate functions of these types? See, I already discussed these types of integration in the previous video. Then, in this case, you have to apply AB formulae. Okay, sin A cos B formula. So, by using this result, it is 2 and 2 get cancelled. You can write sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. A plus B means t plus omega t. So, t can be taken outside. It is 1 plus omega into t plus sin A minus B. So, 1 minus omega into t dt. Okay, now you just integrate. So, here 2 and 2 get cancelled. We have 1 by pi into sin 1 plus omega into t. On integration, it is minus cos 1 plus omega t divided by 1 plus omega. Remember, in integration, the coefficient should be divided. And again, sin 1 minus omega into t d omega. Sin its integral is minus cos 1 minus omega t divided by the coefficient 1 minus omega with the limit 0 to pi. Substitute upper limit and then lower limit. So, on substituting upper limit, you just see this. For the variable t, we are substituting upper limit. So, it is cos 1 into pi. It is cos pi plus pi omega, isn't it? So, that I wrote here. Cos pi plus pi omega divided by 1 plus omega minus cos, again on substituting t is equal to pi, this becomes it is cos pi minus pi omega divided by 1 minus omega. This is on putting upper limit minus the lower limit. Lower limit you put t is equal to 0. So, minus of minus, it is plus 1 by 1 plus omega, and again it is minus of minus, it is plus 1 by 1 minus omega. Okay. So, you do simplification. So, we have, and one more thing here. Cos of pi plus pi omega, what does it? Cos pi plus pi omega, pi means 180. So, cos 180 plus theta. In small classes you have done cos 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta belongs to third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is negative. Okay, so it is minus cos theta. And already one minus sign. So, minus of minus, it is plus cos of pi omega, cos theta. Cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta. Here minus get cancelled, so cos theta. So, cos pi omega divided by 1 plus omega plus. Now, what about the next term? Cos pi minus pi omega. Cos 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. Okay, in second quadrant, cos is negative. We know all silver teacups. Okay, so keep in mind all these results. So, cos pi minus pi omega, it is plus cos pi omega divided by 1 minus omega, and the third term is 1 by 1 plus omega, and the fourth term is 1 by 1 minus omega, and you can take the LCM as 1 plus omega into 1 minus omega. Then the denominator becomes 1 minus omega square, and do simplification. We will get 2 into 1 plus cos pi omega. Okay, this is the value of a omega. Therefore, our Fourier cosine integral representation f of x is equal to 2 by pi can be taken outside. 1 plus cos pi omega divided by 1 minus omega square into cos omega x into d omega. So this is the Fourier cosine integral representation of the given function. So today what we discussed. We discussed only the Fourier cosine integral representation of a function. So in the next video I will plan to deliver a talk on Fourier sine integral representation, its problems. Okay, I hope you all understood what I discussed in this class. Thank you very much.